Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Land Rover Discovery into neutral using its manual override. This procedure is vital for situations like towing or when your vehicle experiences a complete power failure, such as a dead battery. It ensures you can safely move your Discovery even when the electronic systems are not functioning, providing a critical solution for recovery. To begin this process, you will need to access the manual release mechanism. Start by locating the cup holder in your Land Rover Discovery center console. Carefully lift and remove the entire cup holder assembly. It is usually held in place by two clips, so a gentle but firm pull should release it, revealing the necessary emergency release components underneath. Once the cup holder is removed, you will clearly see a red tag and a slotted piece. Using a small tool, such as a screwdriver or a key blade, carefully turn the slotted piece 90 degrees anti-clockwise. After turning, firmly pull the exposed lever upwards. You should feel it click into place, indicating the transmission is now securely in neutral. After successfully engaging neutral, remember to release the electronic parking brake if it was applied. It is critical to secure your vehicle with wheel chocks to prevent any unintended movement, especially on inclines or uneven surfaces. This manual override is a temporary solution, so always seek professional assistance for underlying issues. Always refer to your specific model's owner's manual for precise instructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.